Welcome back to Live.Life.Lovely. Today I'm excited because I am in the middle of my fall decor series. You know, part one was my unboxing of everything that was in my basement. And then part two, I just recently shared. It was my dining room and tablescape, and I'll put both of those videos below. And today I'm sharing my family room. Stay tuned for my fall series. I hope you enjoy this. Please like and subscribe below, and also click that notification bell if you want to see me twice as much. All right, talk to you soon. Bye. So I'm still learning how to decorate a tray. These items came mostly from thrifting, the Dollar Tree, the Christmas tree shop, and the tray itself came from Home Goods. So it was fun trying to figure out the height, which items are going to fit in the tray, and then I took these lights and repurposed them for a pop of color there. So it's looking cute. It's looking cute. And that cloth under it was a thrifted find. I love this wicker pumpkin. I thrifted it, and then I took some ribbon and tied it around the top. And then this is my mantle with the word thanks that actually came from Target, and I took some mesh, leaves, a wreath, and embellished it for a festive fall look. If you have a fireplace, I encourage you to decorate it at the bottom for fall. I bought this real pumpkin from the giant food store. I put it in this wicker basket, and then all of these are actually items I had last fall. My two favorite pumpkins of all time are those two on that fall tray. They are actually ceramic glass pumpkins, and they're absolutely beautiful. And then I have bales of hay here with a basket of flowers, and then some lights at the bottom, and it really decorates the fireplace nicely. These owl pillows came from the Christmas tree shop. They were actually on sale too for $10. I couldn't resist. And then this Happy Fall Y'all pillow cover, it's actually covering a pillow, came from one of my favorite YouTubers, Zane from At Home with Zane. He has a store at homewithzane.com, so check out his store. That's where I got it from, and I love it. It's very good quality, and it looks beautiful on my couch. And as you can tell, I love pillows, so I want our couches to feel nice and comfy. I'm a very traditional decorator, so I try to incorporate all signs of fall with apples here, squirrels there, owls there, just all over the place, and I love them all. pumpkin came from the Dollar Tree. And I just took some E6000 glue and glued it to that wooden plank. It was nice. And here is a give thanks banner that I've had actually for a couple of years now. And so here is a different angle of the family room for you to look at. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my video on my fall drink station. Until next time, remember, life is as lovely as you make it. Bye!